बोर्ड दीदी लोगों से कोई एक जन थोड़ा परिचय करने के बाद हम 10-15 मिनट चर्चा करेंगे, ठीक है। तो मेरा नाम श्रीहरि है और मैं प्रधान संस्था में ही काम करता हूँ। जैसे रेवंत भैया काम करते हैं वैसे हम भी प्रधान संस्था में ही काम करते हैं। हम यहाँ झारखंड में काम किए हैं, दुमका जिला में कुछ दिन पहले 18-20 साल पहले। हम बूढ़े हो गए हैं थोड़ा, है ना। तो उसके बाद हम छत्तीसगढ़ में काम किए, हम उड़ीसा में काम किए, अभी हम दिल्ली में रहते हैं। प्रधान का जो ऑफिस है, एक ऑफिस दिल्ली में भी है, तो हम दिल्ली में रह के अभी काम करते हैं। ये भैया लोग सबसे बात करते हैं, घुमाते हैं उनको सारी तरह, है ना। और इधर से ये जो है इनका नाम नांजो सान है। ये आए हैं मारुबेनी बोल के, जापानी कंपनी है, उनका घर जापान है, वो जापान से आए हैं। मारुबेनी बोल के एक कंपनी है, उसमें काम करते हैं। ये जो गाड़ी देख रहे हैं ना, जो गाड़ी में सामान, वो गाड़ी ये लोग ही दिया है पैसा, इसीलिए वो देखने आया है कि गाड़ी कैसे चल रहा है। और ये आजकल अभी दिल्ली में रहते हैं। वो जो कंपनी का ऑफिस एक दिल्ली में है, तो ये दिल्ली में रहते हैं। इनका नाम है नांजो सान, है ना। और इनका नाम है कावाकिता सान, ठीक है। ये भी जापान के रहने वाले हैं और वही कंपनी से है, मारुबेनी कंपनी से, और ये बेंगलोर में रहते हैं, ठीक है। मेरा नाम तो मैं बता दिया। ये राहुल भैया है, ये मारुति जो गाड़ी है ना, मारुति कंपनी से आए हैं। तो और ये दिल्ली में रहते हैं, ठीक है। और ये है क्षितिज भैया, और ये इनके साथ ही काम करते हैं, क्योंकि इनको तो सारे यहाँ के भाषा तो समझ में नहीं आता, कुछ लोग तो चाहिए उनके साथ मदद करते हैं। क्षितिज भैया इनके साथ काम करते हैं और वो भी दिल्ली में रहते हैं, ठीक है। तो अभी हम जो सब आए हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 में 4 आए हैं दिल्ली से, और ये भैया आए हैं बेंगलुरु से, ठीक है। और हम किस लिए आए हैं, ये जो गाड़ी जो दिया गया है, ये गाड़ियाँ क्या मदद हो रहा है, फायदा है कि नहीं है, ऐसे दूसरे जगह देना चाहिए कि नहीं देना चाहिए, तो वो सब जानकारी लेने, वो सब बात करने हम लोग आए हैं, देखने की चीज़, ठीक है। आप में से एक जन को ये गांव में से और एक जन एफपीओ से एक जन परिचय करवा दीजिए, फिर हम लोग बात करें। Not have any impact on that. Also, these are transparent, so they get enough sunlight. So in that case, the infestation of pests is also very less. The quality of seedlings also, it is very good, because when the plant is small, if you keep it healthy, then later on stage the disease infestation would be very low on this plant, and these plants will have these are very healthy plants, so they will have very less disease infestation. So this is one kind of infrastructure that is required.
Very unique shape.
Yeah.
The structure.
Yeah. This is a government designed and approved shape. You can
government approved design.
In design also they approve. So you can't have any kind of. So they have approved this design also. Cost, design, everything they approve. Also they transfer money to these groups so that they can set up this kind of
In
structure.
Japan, only round shape. But very unique. That's the top of structure.
Yeah. For the air current to go inside the circulation, from here also there is a net, and from upper side there is also net. So there is a constant flow of air.
That is net, है ना? That is not a polythene. There is a space for net, so air can go inside.
Oh.
Yeah, there is also a lever and pulling mechanism here. You can control the size of the net and the.
And also he's saying there is a lever pulley mechanism where you can size the control of the net also.
You can also go inside.
So please come.
Margin will be remaining in our office only.
are mango trees. So you get mangoes. When this will grow up, now those trees will provide mangoes in mango season. Acha. Also you do not leave this space empty or vacant or unused. So the space between these plants also can be used for other crops. Like here they have done radish, they have done cabbage, they have done other plants. These are ये सब क्या है, ये मटर ना, green pea. These are green pea.
Green tea. Oh.
Green pea. Those are all green pea. There is again onion. So all kind of crop. This is a horti and agri crop, agri plot. Now you see it has been linked to such kind of infrastructure like those poly houses for growing seedlings. Also you see those pipes. So also here irrigation system is also been created. So that, for that also these FPO have been linked to government. So government is providing them support, say for irrigation infrastructure, for structures like poly houses, and we are helping these FPOs to link with this government department to access those schemes. As well as also we are demonstrating this kind of integrated model, so that from the same page they get multiple levels of income. Sometimes from mango, sometimes from vegetables, so it's not like just one crop, because in one crop there are a lot of risks. If it fails, means the complete income goes. But if this is multi-crop, if one crop fails, the other crop survives.
So the input supply for all these crops is done through our vehicle only?
Yes, means this vehicle has come just now. But this is the right now the input supply is being done for say last 20-25 days.
Okay.
So those inputs will be used to now. Inputs are 3-4 kinds. One is seeds, seedlings, fertilizer, pesticide, insecticide. So the fertilizer, pesticide, insecticide is being now used here. Okay. But for seedlings, this was done earlier with other vehicles. But for next season, that vehicle will be used to supply seeds and seedlings also.
So these are earlier plot, but this nursery infrastructure is not available in other villages. So we have a big nursery house, almost 25 decimals. It's cost around 12 lakhs. We have centrally raised around 7 lakh seedlings, and we have used that super carry to transfer to other blocks also, like Basia and Kamdara.
Okay. This time only. In last 20
This village has infrastructure within, so don't need seedlings from outside. But other villages don't have nursery infrastructure, and we have also a solar lift has been constructed there. It's on the it's yet to be constructed. The digging is going on. After this season, we will install a solar lift there. Then there is another solar. There is around 4 solar lifts in this patch.
Okay. So these solar lifts we have mobilized from private donors.
Okay.
Say Bank of America and Schneider Electric India Foundation.
Tata.
So because when you develop one cluster, one farmer, one FPO, there are lots of components involved, and no single party may fund you for all components. So somebody is funding you for irrigation, somebody is funding you for say this kind of poly houses, and like now Marubeni is funding for the mobility. So such kind of you have to have a holistic thing. Then only they get support and can compete with the commercial big farmers. Otherwise these are small farmers, small patches. They would find it very difficult to compete. They have to sell it in a throwaway prices. So you have to provide them all kind of ecosystem so that they can do well.
Don't need, even if some strain means new diseases have come, we need new medicine and new fertilizer, it will be supplied free of cost.
Also,
That
means that the FPO has a need to deliver the disease to the...
FPO has service that FPO guarantee you that everything will be provided.
You have to be a member of FPO. You have to give share capital to be member of FPO. then you have to deposit the working capital in advance. Say this season I will be requiring 20 bags of this, or 5 packets of seeds, or this. So you give a list. So and there is a cost to it. So you deposit that money, and then you need not to worry. The things will come to your doorstep whenever the time comes. And the prices they get is comparatively cheaper than the market. And if you go to market and buy on your own, you have to pay 20-30% more for the same thing.
Then also FPO is also liable to sell all this product to the market. The farmer need to worry about selling what happened when I will produce, when I will harvest. FPO is liable. FPO is taking care of all the marketing, right from mangoes to cauliflower, everything. These are for personal consumption. Onion.
सारे घर में नहीं है।
सारे घर में नहीं है।
सारे घर में नहीं है।
उन्हीं का घर में।
ओके।
जिनके पास राशन कार्ड नहीं है उनके पास नहीं है।
नहीं है।
बट अब तो सरकार कहती है कोई भी आप आके ले लो, राशन कार्ड की भी जरूरत नहीं है। आपको पता है उस बारे में?
उसमें भी जिनका ऑनलाइन करवाए हैं ना उनको खाली दे रहे हैं। कार्ड नहीं है फिर भी जिनका ऑनलाइन हो गया है ना उनको दे रहे हैं, जिनका नहीं हुआ उनको नहीं।
ओके, अच्छा ठीक है।
उसमें भी फ्री वाला जो आ रहे हैं ना, फ्री वाला को भी नहीं दे रहे हैं। जो फ्री बीच बीच में मिल रहा है,
हाँ,
वाला
हाँ।
नहीं मिल रहा है उन लोग को।
अच्छा, यहाँ इस गांव में कितना घर ऐसा होगा जो गैस सिलेंडर यूज कर रहा है और कितना ऐसे यूज कर रहा होगा, लगभग अंदाजा?
कितना घर गैस सिलेंडर से चलता है, कितना घर Yeah, this is outside. These three were not there earlier.
Not provided from a multi.
Not provided from Maruti. So those just to have more support, they have added this three. इसको क्या बोलते हैं ये
पत्ती।
हाँ? These three, both sides. तो पत्ती होता है ना, पत्ती एक एक देता है ना, तो इसको क्या है support
व्हीकल ना, so that extra weight it doesn't break down.
because it's now
They are welding it, then we will install it here. We need at least this much height.
so that more things can be transported, not maybe this, maybe vegetables, this, that, instead of less weight. So now if you go by economics, na, say for example, this is 18 bag. Now this 18 bag is say transported from Palkot to a village which is 30 kilometers away. 30 kilometers going, 30 kilometers coming. That is 60 kilometers. Now mileage is some 10 kilometers. So that is 6 liter of petrol. 6 liter of petrol is 600 rupees now, almost. And then the driver cost, so another 100 rupees. Full day they take 250 to 300. So one trip 100 or 150. So there is a 700 rupees cost involved. है ना? Now you have to charge for each bag. Now 18 bags you can charge up to say 40 rupees per bag. 18 basic 720. That is break even. So you don't have money for other maintenance or saving or anything.
But once the racks are being made, then
But
you
please,
no,
you can't waste now.
The rack we are making because the vegetable weight is low, so we can keep it in this thing. But fertilizer we cannot carry more than 18 bags. Otherwise it will break down. Another issue is that carry out that petrol tank is small. CNG facility is not very available in this area. So